I am proud to be an American, and on the day after Veterans Day, I would like to take a moment to thank those veterans out there. So thank you, including my dad, who is no longer with us. He served in the Air Force. If you've ever served our country, there is a home loan benefit that you've earned in most cases. This has not been given, you have truly earned it. It's one of the best programs in America for lending, include a benefit of 0% down. I would not like to confuse that with zero money out of pocket. You cannot roll all closing costs and everything else into your loan. However, VA loans offer just about the least amount of money needed to close of any loan program out there, and they are fantastic. In addition to that, if you're a veteran listening to this and you're like, ooh, how much money is that going to be? Well, a lot of people use the term closing cost to be a lump sum category for everything else other than your down payment. So the down payment can be as little as 0%. And then from there, you have items that are needed to close. That includes an escrow account, which is your money for property taxes and home insurance when those become due. That includes items that a mortgage company charges to do the loan. Is that a title company or attorney, depending on what state you're based in. The good news is that VA loans allow the seller to contribute to closing costs as well. There's definitely an opportunity there to get in with very little money in purchasing a home. You can have big buying power as a veteran. It is not limited to a lower purchase price home, although that is definitely an option. If you have full entitlement, so if you have your full benefits and have never used them before, or they've been restored because you sold the home, and the loan was paid off properly, not foreclosed on, then you should have full entitlement restored. And with that, you can purchase most properties out there with 0% down. But why are VA loans such an important benefit to a veteran? Well, you don't have mortgage insurance. Going back to mortgage insurance, you don't have a monthly mortgage insurance. There is a funding fee, which is one time at closing, that gets rolled into the loan, and that covers the lender. It is not a monthly fee, so it reduces and allows better housing affordability, and the overall monthly payment to be lower. Appraisal costs for a VA loan are often less expensive than a FHA loan or a conventional loan. And the VA regulates and caps the appraisal cost. Interest rates. It's a government-backed loan program, and VA loans are often the lowest priced loans I see. The VA loan programs are pricing out typically right around the lowest you'll see, no matter what your credit score is. VA loans can also be closed very quick. I just closed Earl interest rate reduction loan within a few weeks. It is really simple, and I can touch on that later this week. VA appraisals, I rarely have ever seen be an issue. They just want to make sure the house is safe, sound, and sanitary, and it's not falling apart or not any major defects. I have seen active military purchase a home wherever they are based and then retain that property and rent it out when they get moved, and then use a VA loan for the next home and do that multiple times during their enlistment period of time. Once you have some entitlement used, you can't go above loan limits for that area, county loan limits established by the FHFA. However, you can still purchase a substantially priced home with only a portion of your entitlement benefits. VA loans aren't charity. You've earned them. It's a benefit. If you're a veteran or know a veteran that is thinking about buying, please contact me and contact a realtor to discuss getting in there and making a strong offer utilizing your VA benefits. I am happy to lay out for you what a VA loan looks like, and it is one of the best tools, whether you talk to me or to someone else related to building wealth and stability. You have earned it, and it is a reward for your efforts for this country. With that, my name is Nick Seidel with the Clear to Close team at EMM Loans. Proud to help those who served. Do me a favor and please like, follow, and reach out to me anytime to discuss your home loan situation. Thank you. Have a great day.